Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Erdogan's speech, 28th of February 2017. In this dream, Muhammad Qasim saw that the president of Turkey was speaking to a huge crowd. He said, "People of Turkey, we will make the Ottoman Empire again, and all these powers that I've been getting are also a part of it, and now we will regain the lost status of the Muslims." After addressing the crowd, Erdogan sat in his seat again. He had a smile that was filled with so much pride. It made me feel that with this much power, he's going to become a great leader of Muslims. Then I saw big people of evil forces became angry when they saw this. They said that this man is getting very dangerous. After getting this much power, he will be able to do anything, and his plans are dangerous as well. And if he wants to be like the Ottoman Empire, then he will be even more dangerous. Another person said that he should be stopped at any cost. He has already started his mission and he is conquering Syria. Another person said that he might become a very strong leader from the Muslims. No matter what, we have to stop him from getting more powers. Otherwise, this would be a big problem for us. We have to pave the way for the Messiah. Then I saw Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam walking back and forth in extreme concern. This made me feel like something horrible will come very soon. And the dream ended there. Please share these dreams with everyone and subscribe to our channel for the latest videos and updates. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.